this first part already. Let's go to the income tax. Let me see, we've done everything. We just need to do the last two calculations, right? The percentage return on average capital employed. Can you see? This is the ROTCE. And the ROTCE is the longest calculation. Ne? Because ROTCE is, how do I know it? Because they say capital employed. They don't ask the percentage return on equity. Okay. So, I need you to see this. Capital employed, ne, is the capital working for us. And that is my shareholders' equity and loan. Okay. And as soon as we talk loan, we know this is ROTCE. Okay. So, it's going to be net profit before tax and interest over half she plus loan times 100. Okay, can you see? Lots of marks there. So let's see what they give me. Firstly, they give me net profit after tax, but I need before tax. They also gave me before tax 1,297,700. Add back the interest on loan, right? Over half, she plus loan. They gave me the total capital employed. Can you see? They already gave me the she plus loan. So I just need to take those two totals. So it's half, 15,236,800 plus 14,450,000 times 100. Now if you look at this, your space is very limited. So what are you going to do? You are just quickly, somewhere here, going to write what's the top there. What is this top? No, don't look at me. Take out your calculators. Do the sum. 16797. Okay. The bottom, it's going to be those two and the sum divided by 2, and that gives me okay, divided by 2 quickly. So, say what's the bottom? 148,843.
No, 148,43400.
Okay. And now you say 167 divided 148 times 100 gives me what? 11? 11.31%. Whatever. Okay. Dividends per share is I want the total dividends. Now this one, I remember, I want to go look. Is there an interim dividend and a final dividend? Is both the interim and the final worked on the same amount of shares? So I'm going to look. The interim dividend was 31st August. Ne? Can you see it happened before the repurchase? Okay? So you have to do it separately. So in other words, up to now, how many shares are in issue? 1,480. Is everybody with me? They say we paid out 710,400. And we need to work on 1,480,000 shares. Is everybody fine with where I get those shares? Okay, times 100, and that gives me what? How many cents? 48 cents. And if I read here, they say the final dividend is 12 cents. So this gives me 60 cents.